A quick update on our house build, and if you stick around till the end, I'll introduce you to my new baby. Hi everyone, welcome to Hampton Your House. My name is Belle and my channel is all about bringing the coastal Hamptons vibe to your house. I would love to have you stick around and subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button so you don't miss any new DIY videos, tips and tricks. So after a lot of paperwork and planning, our house build started just a few short months ago, and it's gone up so quickly since then. It's been amazing to see the progress. Here's a quick look at what's been going on so far. We have a nice flat block, but we needed to have 400 ml of dirt fill to help with the plumbing. Then the trenches and the piping and everything went in, and before we knew it, there was a slab. Once the frame goes up, it kind of gives you a better idea of the size of the rooms. It was so exciting to see our dowel windows and doors going in. We chose aluminium French doors to make them more weatherproof. On the sides and back of the house exterior, we have HardiePlank Smooth Weatherboard Look cladding by James Hardie in 230mm size to be more cost efficient. And on the front of the house, we chose to have Hardie's Sky-On linear cladding in 150mm size to give it a real Hamptons look. It's something to be aware of if you're wanting to build Hampton style in Australia. Sky-On linear cladding is expensive, and while building with some concrete fibre weatherboards might be cheaper, Sky-On linear costs around the same as building with brick. Next, internal walls went in, and then the cornices. We have 90mm size cove cornices and 2.7 metre ceilings. The kids' bath went in and bathroom waterproofing was done. Skirting boards and architraves were delivered, and then the most exciting part, cabinetry. We've chosen a modern take on Hampton's cabinetry. I'll talk about it more in another video. And we bought our own knobs too. The bathroom and laundry ones still need to be changed over. And here the tiler is hard at work on our herringbone splashback. Yes, it's called a splashback in Australia, not a backsplash. Just a little trivia for you. And tiling is starting to go in the bathrooms. So that's where we're at so far. It's been very surreal seeing our plans coming to life, and of course very exciting too, and I can't wait to show you the finished product. Now I have a very special guest to introduce you to, and here she is. This is my baby daughter Sierra. She was born in October, and she was a huge surprise because she's got 3 lovely big brothers and we didn't know what we were having. So here she is, and we all love her to bits. She's looking forward to having a new house too, aren't ya? Well, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope this video has been helpful if you're building or thinking about building, and I hope you've enjoyed meeting my little baby girl. Don't forget to like this video and check out some of my other videos, and I would love for you to subscribe so I can see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye guys. Nap time.